Today we will learn the chapter probability. So what is probability? Probability means possibility. It is a branch of mathematics that deals with the occurrence of a random event. So what is the value is expressed between 0 and 1. Probability has been introduced in mathematics to predict how likely events are to happen. So what is random event and experiment? Some important facts and formula of probability. What is the experiment? An operation which can produce some well-defined outcome is called an experiment. And what is random experiment? An experiment in which all possible outcomes are known and the exact output cannot be predicted in advance is called an random experiment. Examples of performing random experiment. This is also called random event also. Number 1, rolling an unbiased dice, tossing a fair coin, drawing a card from pack of well shuffled cards, picking up a ball of certain color from a bag containing balls of different colors. Details. When we throw a coin, then either head or tail appears. Okay, so there is possibility of two events, that is head or tail. Similarly, a dice is a solid cube having 6 faces marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 respectively. When we throw a die, the outcome is the number that appears on its upper face. A pack of cards has 52 cards. It has 13 cards of each suit, namely spades, clubs, hearts, and diamonds. Cards, do you know? Hello? Hello?
Yes, yes, I can.
Do you know about the cards?
I know about the card.
Yeah, there is namely 4 type of cards, that is spades, clubs, hearts and diamonds. Spades and clubs are black cards, hearts and diamonds are red cards. There are 4 honors of each suit. These are aces, king, queen and jack. These are called face cards. So the meaning of probability is basically the extent to which something is likely to happen. This is the basic probability theory which is also used in the probability distribution, where you will learn the possibility of outcomes for a random experiment. To find the probability of a single event to occur, first we should know the total number of possible outcomes. Next, sample space. When we perform an experiment, the set S of all possible outcomes is called the sample space. Example of sample space. In tossing a coin, sample space S is equal to head and tail. This is a set of head and tail. If two coins are tossed, then sample space is equal to either the combination of two coins is head head, tail tail, head tail, tail head. So there are 4 possible outcomes in sample space of 2 coins are tossed. Okay, in rolling a dice, we have S equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, event. Any subset of a sample space is called an event. Any subset, suppose this is a sample space HHTT, HTTH. if we consider HH and TT, then it is a event of sample space S, because HH and TT is a subset of sample space S. Probability of occurrence of an event. Let S be the sample space and let E be the event. Then E is a subset of S. So probability of E is equal to NE by NS. NE means number of E means number of event, that is number of subset in a sample space, and number of sample space, number in sample space. Suppose here in that case, if we consider that E equal to HH and TT, so number of event is 2 and number in sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. So probability of HHTT event in sample spaces is 1 by 2. Clear? Up to this, is it clear? Hello?
Yes, it is clear.
Okay, if there is any doubt, you can ask.
Okay, after this it's clear.
Okay, now here na? Then it is results on probability. Probability of S equal to 1. Probability of sample space equal to 1. And always probability of sample space lies between 0 and 1. Here also it is told that the value is expressed between 0 and 1. So what is the range of probability of sample space? It is in between 0 and 1. Okay? This is an important property. And then P phi equal to 0. Means if there is no sample space, then probability of no sample space equal to 0. For any events A and B, we have probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A union A intersection B. If we take for understanding of these 2 points, these particular 2 points, we have to draw a set picture.
Venn diagram. That's Venn diagram.
Yeah, that is Venn diagram.
Yes, I know the Venn diagram. Like two
Suppose
incident
this is,
A and B.
suppose this is probability of A. Okay.
Yes. And it intersect with it. In the paint, it will better to draw.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I'll take the picture in paint.
Yes, just increase the area of the pixels.
means
Yes, copy and okay. Go to home page. Yes. First of
yeah,
all,
that's it.
you click the resize. Okay. Yeah. Yes, it's done.
Okay,
Okay.
so this is probability of A,
Yes.
this is
This is
probability
probability
of
of
B, and this is
and middle element is
probability of
A
A,
intersection B
intersection B,
intersection
and what is
and the
probability of
total
A
is
union B?
A union B. The
This
total.
is that part, probability of A plus probability of B minus that part. That means it will be B star, B star, okay, B star part plus B star means this all part is total
A
part
union B.
A union B. A union B. That is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B.
Yes.
Okay. If A bar denotes not A, then probability of A bar equal to 1 minus probability of A. Okay.
Okay.
Why it is 1 minus probability of A? Suppose there is two type of ball. Suppose example, I am giving an example, that is suppose there is two types of balls. One is green and one is red. Okay. Then
Okay.
green number of balls equal to n. Red number of balls equal to m. So total number of balls equal to m plus n. Up to this it is clear. Now if my question is what is the probability to probability of pick not a green ball. Tell me how you will do. So suppose this is called probability of A. Suppose probability of picking
Suppose probability of A is green ball. N.
A is picking green ball. Probability of picking probability of picking green ball. That is equal to how much? Till that is there is n
Or
number of balls. So
N.
n by m plus n.
Yes, n by m plus n.
Okay.
Okay.
So now, what is the not picking? What they said that of pick not a green ball. That means probability of
Picking
B.
red ball.
Probability of B is equal to probability of picking red balls. Okay. So that is equal to m by m plus n. Okay.
Okay.
Now 1 minus p a. See, 1 minus pa equal to 1 minus n by m plus n. Let it will m plus n minus n, that is m minus m by m plus n, that is equal to probability of B. So it is clear.
Yes, it's clear.
After this it is clear. Okay. Okay, now just take a look